Welcome back to my channel. Every strand on your head tells a story. If you're seeing more hair on your pillow than on your scalp, it's time to act. These 7 science-backed remedies will not only slow hair fall but help new growth. No chemicals, just powerful natural methods. 1. Find the root cause. Most hair fall isn't random. Common internal triggers: iron or vitamin D deficiency, sudden stress spikes, thyroid imbalance, crash dieting. Tip: simple blood tests for ferritin, vitamin D, B12 reveal hidden issues. 2. Scalp circulation boost. Healthy follicles need oxygen and nutrients. Spend 5 minutes daily on fingertip massage or use a silicone scalp brush. Studies show regular massage can enlarge follicles and extend the growth anagen phase. 3. Nutrition Power Pack. Protein. Hair is 90% keratin, add lentils, eggs, fish. Minerals and vitamins: iron, zinc, B-complex, biotin, vitamin E hydrate. 2-2.5 L water daily keeps follicles from drying. 4. Gentle cleansing. Sulfate-free shampoos maintain scalp pH and natural oils. Wash 2 to 3 times per week. Overwashing strips the barrier, underwashing blocks follicles. 5. Strength-building hair masks. Fenugreek and yogurt mask. Soak methi seeds overnight, blend with yogurt for plant protein and niacin. Aloe and rice water mask, delivers amino acids and natural shine. 6. Lifestyle shields. Avoid tight hairstyles and high heat tools. Sleep 7 to 8 hours, chronic stress shortens hair's growth phase. Use a satin pillowcase to reduce friction. 7. Unique herbal growth oil. Now for a recipe you won't find in most guides: an ancient meets modern blend that fights hair fall and sparks regrowth. Ingredients: 1/2 cup extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon each basil leaves, 5 to 6 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon rosemary leaves, 1 teaspoon cloves, all dried or fresh. Method: lightly crush the herbs and cloves. Warm olive oil on the lowest heat. Add herbs. Keep it just warm, don't fry. Let it infuse for 20 to 30 minutes, cool, and strain. Why it works. Basil improves scalp circulation. Bay contains lauric acid to strengthen roots. Rosemary proven to stimulate follicles like minoxidil in some studies. Cloves antifungal and antioxidant. Massage a few drops into the scalp 2 to 3 times a week. And now for the ultimate booster: magic hair food, a powerhouse mix that takes your hair growth routine to the next level. Combine 1 tablespoon each of pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, nigella seeds, also called black cumin, and flax seeds. Lightly roast them for a few minutes to release their natural oils, then let them cool and grind to a coarse powder. Take 1 spoonful every day, sprinkle it over yogurt, blend it into a smoothie, or stir it into warm milk. This seed blend is loaded with zinc, omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and vitamin E, all of which help strengthen hair follicles, reduce shedding, and speed up new growth. Hair fall stops when root causes are treated and follicles stay nourished. Follow these steps for 4 to 6 weeks and you'll notice fewer strands in the drain and stronger new growth. Your hair can thrive naturally. Thank you for watching.